Welcome to Leather Honey. This is how to properly use our 5.4 ounce leather cleaner. First, shake well before use. Then, remove the safety tab underneath the spray trigger and test the spray pattern and range of the continuous ultrafine mist. Before use, we suggest spot testing to prevent any unexpected results. To use, hold the bottle 10 to 12 inches away and spray onto a lint-free cloth until moistened. Then, gently rub the cleaner into the leather in a thin, even coat. Ensure you do not saturate your leather. Leather Honey leather cleaner is safe on all colors and will not darken your leather once fully dry. For heavily soiled areas, we suggest using our premium horsehair brush to gently agitate and remove years of buildup. These areas may need more than one application, so repeat as necessary. Leather Honey cleans and protects your leather from the inevitable buildup of daily wear and tear. Using Leather Honey, you can help prevent creasing, cracking, fading, dryness, scuffs, and more. Our cleaner is non-toxic and pH balanced with an EPA Safer Choice certification, so you never have to worry about harsh chemicals. Simply wipe away dirt and grime and then allow it to dry completely. For genuine leather, follow with Leather Honey leather conditioner as needed. Leather Honey, trusted by the best since 1968.